Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting performance cars set to hit the roads, the 2026 Shelby GT500 Rolling. Ford has taken its iconic muscle machine and pushed it to the next level with stunning updates across the board. From its aggressive design to its blistering performance, this car is engineered for enthusiasts who crave both power and presence. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 GT500 Rolling demands attention from every angle. The bold, aerodynamic lines give the car a muscular stance, enhanced by a widened front fascia, sculpted hood with functional heat extractors, and a reworked rear diffuser for improved downforce. New LED lighting signatures front and back bring a modern touch while staying true to the Shelby's menacing identity. Ford has also introduced exclusive wheel designs and color options, including a deep metallic blue and a limited-run matte black finish that looks absolutely lethal. Carbon fiber accents on the splitter and side skirts not only elevate its looks but also cut weight, reinforcing its performance-first design language. Inside, the cabin offers a driver-focused experience with just the right blend of sport and comfort. Premium materials like Alcantara and leather wrap the seats, steering wheel, and dashboard. The digital instrument cluster and large infotainment screen provide intuitive controls, while the Recaro bucket seats deliver excellent support for spirited driving. Overall, the interior is compact and purposeful, exactly what you'd expect from a track-ready Mustang. Now let's talk performance, the heart and soul of the GT500 Rolling. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, now tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 in under 3.3 seconds and has a top speed pushing past 200 miles per hour. A newly refined 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast shifts, and the adaptive Magnaride suspension system has been further optimized to deliver sharper handling without sacrificing ride quality. Ford has also worked on reducing weight and improving chassis stiffness, giving the 2026 model better cornering capability and more confident braking under pressure. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The GT500 Rolling comes equipped with a suite of advanced features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. While most buyers will be drawn to its raw power, it's good to know this Mustang offers a layer of modern protection both on the street and the track. High-performance Brembo brakes and reinforced safety cage structures also ensure peace of mind during high-speed runs. What really sets the 2026 GT500 Rolling apart is how it blends raw performance with daily drivability and exclusivity. The Rolling Edition introduces track-inspired tuning straight from Ford Performance, along with enhanced cooling systems and a lightweight exhaust that sings with every throttle press. It's a car that offers supercar-level performance without the six-figure price tag. The aggressive looks, combined with track-level engineering and the legacy of the Shelby badge, make this model a standout in a crowded field of performance cars. As for price, the 2026 Shelby GT500 Rolling starts at around $96,000, with optional performance packages and carbon fiber upgrades pushing it closer to $110,000. While it's certainly an investment, for what you're getting in terms of speed, technology, and heritage, it's a seriously compelling proposition for those who want the ultimate American muscle car. To wrap things up, the 2026 Shelby GT500 Rolling is not just a continuation of a legend, it's a redefinition. It's a car built for drivers who crave the thrill of pure performance without compromise. Whether you're tearing up a racetrack or simply enjoying a weekend drive, this Mustang delivers an unforgettable experience. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new GT500 Rolling and if it's worth the hype. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.